Okay, welcome back to this channel. To those that have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. And I just want you all to know that I have already set up a Patreon account. So go there. You are going to get a lot of value, a lot of benefits. I will be sharing with you, some of my trade for the day and some of the trade for the week. And I'm going to tell you what to, trade, what to buy, Is it that any trade that I see that there's high probability of us to make a lot from it? I'm going to share it with you, so make sure you actually get it. And if you subscribe and you are not getting that value, you can actually cancel the subscription. By the way, it is not a must. So now let's see what this GBP USD will go for the next day. By the way, yesterday I talked about GBP to USD to close bullish for today, right? So by the way, the market is yet to close, but we've gotten a bullish move. You can see a candlestick wick sticking at the bottom. This is just a pullback, which is more visible on the 4-hour time frame, by the way. So like I said, before you actually go ahead, we would want to know the trend, and we can see that this trend is an uptrend move. Higher highs and then higher lows is what's playing out on GBP USD, right? So let's see this moment. Like I said before, highs, then a pullback here. If we take a look at this again, another impulse move and then a pullback. This is an impulse move and then a pullback. So like I said before, after the impulse move, we expect after the pullback, we expect an impulse move. So we've gotten that impulse move yesterday. Today also price went up. So tomorrow we are going to be going up again. So first we need to take out this level, and this is a level of 1.24490, and possibly break above that level the next day. So let's watch out for these targets that I've just called, which is 1.24490. So that is what I'm watching out on GBP USD. So let's see what this 4-hour time frame actually says. So let's take just take it as a rejection. Basically once price comes to the same level, we tend to have a rejection above this level. We see a rejection at this level. So basically we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. So this is what we are seeing on GBP to USD. So basically once prices come to this same level, we tend to have a rejection at this level. So price was close to this same level, then a rejection. So I am watching out for this highs. This, we like call it resistance level on the 4-hour time frame. If price can come to hit this level, then I will be expecting a breakout. But if in case price does not give us a breakout, then we would get a drop. Like I said, subscribe to my Patreon, so I'm going to give you an update on this currency pairs, and tell you when to trade and what trade we very much likely to that would very much likely to grab for the day.